आपका favorite body part क्या है?
My legs.
Legs. You suddenly become a saint.
I know.
Pole dancing saint.
Sometimes you see something like very randomly written. No one's clarified it, no one's asked you, and already you have like this war going on against you.
Controversies हो नहीं हो,
Yeah.
भाड़ में जाए लोग, हम अपनी जिंदगी जिएंगे.
Pintola Peanut Butter presents Shape of You. Fit is Fab. Powered by SoFit on Filmy Mirchi.
Hey guys, this is Filmy Mirchi और ये शो का नाम है Pintola Peanut Butter Presents Shape of You Powered by SoFit. ये वो शो है जहाँ पर हम सेलिब्रिटीज के फिटनेस के सारे राज खोल देते हैं. What they eat, how much they work out और अपनी वेलनेस के लिए क्या-क्या करते हैं. मेरी आज के गेस्ट के साथ I have a lot of similarities. फिटनेस के अलावा मेरी तरह she is also a cat lover और खाने के साथ हम दोनों का बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है. Please welcome Jacqueline. Oh my God. You are looking so hot, Jackie.
Wow. I have to say, honestly, it's because I'm so inspired by you.
Like you're looking 10 years younger.
That's a really, really great compliment. I think like it's also about just being comfortable in your own skin, and even whatever age you're at, it's just being the best that you can be in that age. And I do always choose the right things, the freshest food, the good things to eat, except on Sunday. Where people think I'm a different person. They're like, ये Jacqueline है क्या? Like, you know, what the hell happened to her?
नहीं, आपको खाने का बहुत शौक है, मैं जानती हूँ ये. तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, because आपका जो relationship है खाने के साथ, वो बहुत important है.
Absolutely.
तो stressful times में हो या अच्छे times में, वो relationship shift नहीं होना चाहिए. तो जब आप stress में होते हो, आप वो awareness रखते हो?
In my 20s, I did go through quite a lot of eating issues. Yeah. But of course, like at that time,
मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था.
Yeah.
I also went on this whole.
It happened because of like my pageant days, and I didn't realize, but at that age, 19, 20, you're going to be on an international stage. And that's when the pressure really got to me, and I didn't know how else to like handle it. So food became the enemy. And that then continued into like my 20s. It continued into like, you know, being in front of a camera. How am I going to look? And it was like you would punish yourself for eating. But I was just blessed that I was able to remove. Yeah, I was able to just overcome it, like, you know, slowly. It took time. There were times I'd go for months, you know, being okay. And then something would happen and I'd go back into the habit. And then there was like times like, you know, it was like quite horrible actually. But it was definitely like, I think something that made me stronger, something that made me much more aware of food.
मुझे बताइए आपका no compromise breakfast क्या है? मैंने सुना है आपको peanut butter बहुत पसंद.
Oh my God, मुझे peanut butter बहुत पसंद है.
हम आपको देंगे भर के Pintola peanut butter.
Peanut butter or jam and some like nice toast, you know, on some nice toast is like, I mean, one of my favorite things. But yeah, I think like for breakfast, actually, मुझे breakfast बहुत पसंद है. It's one of my favorite meals.
Mine too.
It's like, I mean, I think yummiest things available.
Yeah.
So I love to vary it between like oats, porridge, fruits, berries, eggs, sometimes healthy pancakes, full of like protein and like stuff like that. Peanut butter.
अच्छा, इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस है जिनको आप देखती हैं और आप कहती हैं कि मैं कुछ भी करूं, कितना भी वर्कआउट कर लूं, मैं ऐसे तो नहीं दिख सकती.
Shilpa Shetty. I was actually working with someone and he also once told me, because actually मैं एक proper diet पे हूँ, and
weighing your macros and
I was like, ये नहीं खा सकती, and he's like, तो क्या कहें, you know,
क्या खाएंगे?
And he was like, be like Shilpa Shetty. I was like,
what?
I was like,
कौन है ये एक्टर?
I'll tell you later. And I was like, okay. And he was like, she will eat healthy, but she eats.
अच्छा, अभी मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आप ऊपर से नीचे इतनी खूबसूरत हैं, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपके नज़रिए में आपका फेवरेट बॉडी पार्ट क्या है और उसे मेंटेन करने के लिए आप क्या करती हैं?
I actually know that answer. My legs.
Legs.
Yeah, so no, because actually I have been wearing heels from the age of 14. I think somehow that like shaped up my quads, and yeah, it just exercised it so much. And at the same time, of course, like doing leg exercises are my favorite.
तो स्पेशल केयर कैसे लेती हैं?
Special तो actually 3 times a week मैं glutes और legs करती हूँ. And I actually feel कि upper body से this is more important.
Yeah.
क्योंकि the legs over time also, and I would say this also for people who are maybe entering their 30s, their 40s, over time, we need the legs the most.
Yes.
And for me, it's not about like creating, you know, a shape or anything. It's actually about like how strong can I get.
So Jackie, tell me, do you really think fit is fab?
I think what actually happens when you program yourself to become fitter and to eat healthier, you're creating a discipline just in your personality and in your character. And a lot of people actually, I don't think, understand the importance of discipline. I'm not just saying, you know, like, oh yeah, I wake up at like 6 and I do this workout and I eat really well. That discipline is going to go into my whole day. It actually starts with very, very small habits like, you know, choosing to eat healthier, choosing to go to bed earlier, choosing to be on time. A fitness regime is actually the best way you can actually learn to start disciplining yourself.
Yes.
So
fit is fab.
हाँ, fit is fab.
मैंने आपको देखा हुआ है Instagram पे, आप काफ़ी candid हैं. So how do you deal with people who kind of violate your privacy or, you know, just write stuff about you that's untrue?
For me, I think what I've learned over the years is don't let it turn you into a bad person. Don't let it turn you into them. That's really important because like sometimes you see something like very randomly written and you're like, but you know, no one's clarified it, no one's asked you, and already you have like this, you know, like war going on against you, which actually was not even necessary because that didn't even exist. Very, very easily, this can turn you into a horrible person, a bitter person, someone who's upset with the way people behave, someone who can become very untrustworthy. Don't let it change you, don't let it turn you, don't let it upset you, and don't let it steal your light. Stay good, stay positive.
एक और similarity है हम में.
Yeah.
हम eternally positive
Yeah,
हैं,
exactly.
है ना? Jackie? Controversies हो नहीं हो,
Yeah.
भाड़ में जाए लोग, हम अपनी जिंदगी जिएंगे.
There we can
Positively.
say, एक ही जिंदगी है.
एक ही जिंदगी है. नहीं, तो मुझे ये भी बताइए क्योंकि there must be, but you know, times where you feel lonely, you feel alone, you feel bogged down with, you know, the pressures of the media glare and the trolling. तो मैंने सुना है कि obviously in those difficult times you have sought help.
Yes.
And there are, you know, we're talking about mental health, and that for us really is more important than the shape of your body. When we talk
Absolutely.
about the shape of you,
Yeah.
we're also emphasizing on mental health, the shape
Yeah.
of your mind.
It is.
So, जब आप ऐसे फेज से गुजरी, आपको कब पता चला कि आपको हेल्प की ज़रूरत है, and how did you approach?
I actually, this was in 2020. It was like right after the pandemic. I think a lot of us went through that.
Yes.
You know, people didn't know what was happening to them. People got very confused. People were, you know, I mean, literally, you know, they were pulled out of so many things, and people lost their jobs. People lost their people. I realized like I was possibly going through a bit of loneliness. And, you know, there's so many people who actually live alone in the city and they don't have like their families with them. And so you essentially don't end up having people to talk to. And there's a lot of times, I mean, in my personality as well, like I don't like bogging people down with my problems or my issues. So I don't want to bring out things that might seem sad or depressing, you know, around an environment of friends or even family. I don't like them knowing that I'm struggling or I'm sad or I'm lonely. And so I did seek help, and I had this amazing therapist, and you know, I was doing therapy for some time. And it's amazing that, you know, people, even if they can't do therapy, but if they have somebody solid that they can talk to. And because I realized that also in therapy, that like, you know, most of the time I was just talking. And that person was like listening and then asking me questions back that made me think about why I was feeling that way or why I was thinking that. And people think that maybe therapy is useless because what are they going to tell you, you know? But actually it's for your own self-reflection, which sometimes we don't take the time to do. And it helped me so much.
Absolutely. अब बहुत हो गई serious बातें. We have Jackie with us and we have to make it fun. Let us play this game and it's called What Would You Do? Okay, तो मैं आपको थोड़े से scenarios दूंगी और आपको बताना है कि अगर आपके साथ ये होता तो आप कैसे रिएक्ट करती?
Okay.
What would you do अगर आपके ट्रेनर ट्रेनिंग के वक्त में अपने फ़ोन पे ज़्यादा हैं तो आप कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगी?
मैं एक्चुअली उसको टाइम दूंगी कि ये सब खत्म करो फिर हम क्लास लेंगे.
हाँ, लखनऊ जूता मारेंगी उनके मुंह पे. Okay, what would you do if a fan keeps sending you healthy food parcels from Zomato?
I would be so happy with this fan. He'll become my super fan.
तो जाइए और Zomato से ऑर्डर करिए और जैकलीन के घर भेज दीजिए.
I love it. Healthy food hampers.
Now, what would you do if you go to your film trial and you see that maybe 30% of your scenes are edited out? How would you react?
30% तो वो actually ज़्यादा है. But मैं actually react नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि वो मेरा control में नहीं है ना.
अच्छा, what would you do अगर आपको फिल्म के लिए बॉल्ड जाना पड़े?
Bald. ठीक है तो actually बाल वापस आते
ग्रो
हैं
हो
तो
जाएंगे.
हाँ.
बट आपके क्या माशाल्लाह क्या बाल है. वाह.
Actually, I know I love my hair. But
रोल छोड़ देंगी या बाल?
जिंदगी में attachments मतलब actually we should not be having attachments. So ठीक है अगर जाना है तो जाने दो.
You suddenly become a saint.
I know. नहीं.
A pole dancing saint. With a halo around your head. Acha, what would you do? Suddenly having the visual of Jackie
On a pole with my halo.
with a halo, bald.
I would rather not go bald, but हाँ.
Okay, बहुत कर ली हमने बातें.
जी.
And because you are fab and you're so fit and fit is fab.
Fit is fab.
चलते हैं हम अपने fit is fab
I can see it.
स्टूडियो की तरफ. चलिए.
चलो.
So welcome to our fit is fab studio.
Very nervous.
इसे अब मैं स्पिन करूंगी
जी.
और जहाँ पे भी रुकेगा वहाँ पे एक चैलेंज होगा जो हम आपको थ्रो करेंगे.
Oh no.
आप स्पिन करिए. चलिए.
Okay. Which way? Like here?
ये हाँ,
हाँ,
sorry,
ये.
ये है.
नहीं.
तो आपका चैलेंज है, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है ये, रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली. फिटनेस को लेकर मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी और आपको 3 सेकंड्स के अंदर अंदर उसका गलत जवाब देना है. अगर आपने कोई भी सवाल का सही जवाब दिया तो आपको ये डंबल मारने पड़ेंगे. The 3 things that you see in a gym.
Clouds, croissants, and green plants.
वाह वाह वाह. Pass. Fill in the blanks. Squats, burpees, lunges, push.
Down.
Okay. So sixer, LBW, over are all words from a game of. Too late. 3 seconds बोले थे
That
मैंने.
was 2 seconds. I was just about to say something. Honey.
No.
1, 2, 3.
अच्छा चलो ये करते करते मैं
अरे,
अगला सवाल भी पूछूंगी. What are the 3 things that you carry in a gym bag?
Lipstick, high heels, and a party dress.
Wow. True or false? Squats strengthen leg and back muscles.
Yes. But they do.
Yes. गलत जवाब देना था आपको.
Oh shit! For a second, I was like, I wasn't concentrating. Before
ये
I
तो
said
मतलब
that.
आपने मेरे बोलने के बावजूद भी आपको याद ही नहीं रहा.
Oh my gosh, this one is bad.
है ना?
ये तो actually, I don't want to pump up my biceps.
Okay, chicken, eggs, paneer are a great source of.
Carbs.
चलो सीख गई. Complete the sentence. Raju does not eat dairy products and he only eats plant-based food because he is.
Non-veg.
Wow! Keto is a fad diet where you cut back.
All your proteins and fats.
Okay.
Okay, you got confused. You have to do.
ये देखो यार.
Which one will you do? Do triceps or something.
Okay, chalo.
Working in
Dumbbells.
these conditions. Wow, not bad, Shobs. Look at those biceps.
है ना,
So,
है
yeah,
ना?
yeah. Show some triceps. Show the triceps. Oh my gosh, we've got competition.
You get your body.
No.
ये legs, ये quads मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
Carbs.
Calves भी कमाल. Wow, this was so much fun.
Oh my gosh,
Jackie, we got something for
am I
you.
getting a healthy hamper?
And we got you loads of peanut butter.
Thank you. Fit is
Fab! Hi guys, hope you're enjoying my show and do remember to comment on this episode, and if you never want to miss an update, do subscribe to Filmy Mirchi and hit the bell icon. और हाँ, ये show जो है वो रेडियो पर भी आता है on these frequencies. And if you wish to enhance the shape of you, be sure to download the Simple Soulful app by Shilpa Shetty from the download link in the description below. It's available on Android and iOS. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, adios.